Okay, I don't know. Nwere ike bịa achọrọ m ka isoro m gaa n'ụlọ m ka mụ na gị gwuri ya chịrị ya takọ ṅụkọ gbakọ ma mekọsịa ịghọtago
obedience Jesu mere anyị ebere.
What's that? Oh,
The legion anyị kakwa nke ndị senior presidium. Emege nọ na ntị bụ hụ n'anya mụkwanụ CBIU members. Ha nụso onye isi ha. Amakpụrụbe m n'ime matrimony m ga-agaga chịpụta ka m na sakrisi. Agaghị ewe iwe biko. Mgbugwa ọwụlawa ga-ata atọ bahụrụ iri gawe ya aka. Anyị hapụ ya ki ahụ nọrọ tụwakwa m nọ na sakrisi nnụ. Emeri agbo. M ga-agụtara gị ya.
It's okay. Ozugo. Ozugo. Nsobadro.
Thank you for your understanding.
Nsobadro. I got it. Agameche. It's okay. It's okay. Come chere. Come chere. Oh. Come chere.
Come chere kwe.
I know. Kai chere then. Kai chere.
Kai chere.
Good. Good. I got to be on my way now. Come lao. Kage lao. Bye.
Bye.
See you. Oh, lest I forget. Please don't forget tomorrow. Ibianoge maka.
Oh!
Yeah.
Marriage sign.
Good.
Jay.
That's it.
Amawa.
That's it. I like that. Good. Take care of yourself, okay? No off, man.
Bye.
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 Bye. That's my baby. That's my baby, baby.
Na-abịa eche sile m otu m ga-eji cheta he nwoke chaplaincy kọchiri anyị echefuole m.
Oh my God! Damn it!
Ichetara echete?
Oh shit! I'm thinking of a lot of things. May go on a bank na panya and so many things. I can't really remember, but I know he said it's also
okay. Awesome.
So what?
Wagam Owela.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, chaplaincy. We have also. Again. Also, Tupu, I read share. I get my marriage wedding night. She Celebuzu welite the nakage. Ote, give Zaka go te. Give your baby, we put all. You get that tigo loti ho. You were taller. Give baby will lay yellow. Vatabianya.
I like that. That's what Paya people do. Yeah.
I'm not to pram care and they all some corridemia. Some so Atabianya.
Atabianya. Atabianya.
Ababaso. Manoria. Manuka. Manubia.
Makoso. What is wrong with you? Huh? Are you going nuts? I don't know. Come, don't ask me that silly question. Manoria manopia manoko. Manoria manopia. So when you get it, you cannot cheat any other thing. When you get it, manoria, manopia, manoko. Marriage9 lubedalo. You will already have Jalage. You should be boom. Huh? When would any other thing is a catechis? Yeah, manoria, manoko, manobium, obiama, be a craggy horse.
You go garuloko wu abelem lanyo teenage memso ga wo si chewuchele herile mse I made refreshment I refresh ya puta ohe nkwo okwu e
give me refreshment I want to refreshment you got what face you get what table manners what kind of nonsense is that if there is anything about poverty don't bring it into this marriage come on do you know who I am Imo anyambo Imo udi madambo go to Panya and ask of me Ego president Panya Jim if I invest it into this country I will take over the governorship yes there's nothing that relates me with poverty all about poverty shouldn't be mentioned around me. You don't mention it around me. You don't say it around me. I am a bigger boy. Go to Panya and ask of me. Ediraham in every road in Panya. I keep saying it. My name is written boldly. Go and ask Genevieve Nnach. She will tell you my abdominal constituency in Panya. Yes. Chinanyoba, all those people, all the teachers, all those people are Panya celebrities. And I made them. Do you know Pete Doche in Panya? He was my driver. Yes, he was my driver in Panya. Ha, you mentioned but a few. Most of them non Panya na to make even president of Panya. I'm talking to you. Phone na ring now as we are speaking. On a bomb saying, when are you coming back? When are you coming back? So I am not poor. You dare not mention poverty around me. I am mad. Damn it. If you want to remember what the catechist said, there is some other spices you can even spice up with there. You know what you say? Yeah, my wealth. That is how it's been mentioned in Pan. My wealth. Say it. Better. Damn it.
Damn it.
Good. Damn it. Good. That's it. Do it again. Damn it. That's it. Damn. Good. Yeah, man. You see it? So, I am mad. Oh, there you go again. To spice up the medicine, spice up the name. You don't just call me Dimom. It's barbaric, it's local. So I had it too much sweet, you know? Make it, man. Too much had it come. Turmeric, barbaric, or you call me Panatic Visa. Oh, those are beautiful names. You can call me.
Panatic Visam.
Good. That's it. I love you. Yeah. I know. You must hear it.
Listen, I love you.
Oh, him, crew, man.
Me, I love you.
Oh, shit. Wait, love us? Yes. See you some other time. Let's not forget. Can I have a hug? Shit.
Singular vessel of devotion.
See you. Please, I come jogi biko. Camera, the level unugagoro in terms of arranging for my wedding. My wedding is in 3 days. So I told him disappointment. I told him stories. I told him madhe woman. I told him madhe metosham. Biko. Kede unugagoro camera.
Imo. Oye na amagi no bodaya. A man okabatra yesterday.
That's it. I'm a popular person.
And all because of that, Imo Comedy na village a. Mo bobia. Mandinna. Onye obula kwatu iji make sure na wedding na gawo the best.
Good. Good.
I'm telling you.
That's it. That's it. I like it.
You see?
I like it. Damn it.
Oh, you like it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Swap my language. I don't mind what I
You cannot because you got better panya. So there is no way you got water panya.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one is because Achram Kanjogi. Achram ma udimoto ono kwadoro. Ngeja aga church mana nwunyem. Makana cho homo nkanka mota udimoto mna hogasi na village aka mgbe mbatara on irritate him. I can't even think of nearing such a car over there in Pine. If the motor mja go to na toilet ma ga anyon say or na panya it's a very big car, a very big, notorious, well beautified, expensive car. So I don't know the kind of car uno kwadro for I and my wife because I try me by any kind of car. You know my what? You know my capacity. You know
yes.
you know how big I am.
Yes.
I'm a rich guy. So please can I know it?
In ajụjụ nke a ka ofu ụmụ nwaanyị dị nọ n'ime obodo.
Say what?
Yeah, ị kwesịrị ịmụ ihe mụnwa afọ dị mkpa nwa ibekwe your best friend ga-emenwu. Okay, ka m gwasị nke bụ eziokwu. Local government chairman, the newly elected local government chairman.
The present one?
Yes.
Okay.
Nwa nwoke o 5 and 6 my best friend. Ọ dị makwara onye bụ.
Okay.
So ọ kwere nkwa ibute the latest limousine for you. Then booted latest Venza Mamia Naba for your wife.
That's it. That's it.
Ultimate play.
I like that. I like Crimea.
Yeah.
I like Crimea.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that Venza. Venza.
Yeah, Venza.
That's my latest car.
Are you serious?
What a coincidence.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a story. You know, in Pine, the latest Venza I just bought before I left Pine, $7.
Chineke.
Yeah.
7
doors, 2 boots, 4 steering. The what is it called? The radiator. My radiator. About an hour minute.
Okay, fridge na ade.
No. The radiator from the engine.
Okay.
8 engines. Then 27 radiators inside one car. Then when you get into the car, I have fridges, I have toilet, I have a bedroom. Oh, shit.
Moto.
Oh, do you know me? Somebody who eats and dine with Panya president. What don't I have? Oh, come here. I like Venza.
Yeah, yes.
But since I hope the car is the latest model.
Yes.
The AC is working.
Very okay.
Because I wouldn't want to enter into
very
a local car.
Okay.
The driver is quite educated.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good, I will manage it.
And don't be you to some baggy. Na gi happen here all about say boche. My canopies, my tables. Me such as the company bag made the wedding. Forget that one for them. They will take care of it. You will not pay anybody kobo.
Please, I don't want to be too harsh on people, but help me tell the youth, if they are not ready to do this work, I want to hatch on Hebrew moche, ni go to them canopy. I want to hatch on him and die ikuru because gagwam come put a call. Let me go to internet and send message to Davido and Two-Face of Paya. Two-Face Dibia of Paya. Davido of Paya. Even Chioma the chef, they should come and clean the whole environment.
No.
You know?
No.
Yes, because I wouldn't want anybody to insult me. I come and check a man to be about Pariam. I told him come man Pariam. Obruna the driver hag up on him, I don't know educated. I can make a phone call. Mark Wapete Duce from Uganda. Yes! He was my ex-driver.
Pet, get him a film.
Yes! I sacked him last week. A few days before my return. You don't know me. You don't know me. Chino Achebe, you know Chino Achebe? Yes, Chino Achebe was my cleaner. Yes, he cleaned my shoes. Namdi Azikiwe of Panya was my gate security personality.
Wow.
Damn it! You know Chasangurum? Chasangurum is just my gardener.
Can I make film?
Woo! Of Panya. Charles Anwum was my gardener. Victor Swago. All these people are my boys who burned down. I marched them and passed in. What I say? What I say? Zubi Michael, I'm telling you, Zubi Michael was my security. Thank you, was my arm. Odumeje himself, Odumeje of Onitsha in Panya. Odumeje is my dancer. I sing, he dance. You don't know the level of this boy you have here. Rita Doche was my maid. My maid, I look at her, you know, just mention, but I
because my head about the youth, our village youth, because him jabam boy here.
Yeah.
It watch and do one habia machine, I again with a carry. Him I'm one affording, but the machine play.
Don't worry.
So him talk, he made him now. Forget about those people. Our youth in Kemwonishi, they will do everything.
Oh, good.
I can have everything. Forget about that in the Quran.
Tell them after the wedding, if there's no food for them, I take them to Panya kitchen. I zoom them. Just may have visa. Visa, just piam. Visa, everybody. They go to Panya and eat.
But before that, please, don't forget me. I'm doing all these things based on Uncle Ikurem. Na iga ko maga panya atala ma hu no boda kam ga no panya na kam kwandi ne kam na ha meko na ihe na
half dem pa forget it. You are already with the president. I am like a panya president. I no me ba na control panya. Here all I'm na ku hot sign no ya aga he me na panya. I'm a panyatic citizen.
Obola ni si panyatic citizen. Ema mo number 1 among them. Imo tell them cheurege. So because you get where I am number 1. Come panya. Immediately after this marriage wedding, actually so panya.
You don't have a problem. Your name is already in the list. And I'm a call mayor arrange doctors and they can make a surgery before you enter, because I forgot give me a surgery. We don't want touch potty belly in panya, because here now this kind of belly in panya is potty. Say it.
Potty.
Good. That's it. So we have to surgeryalize your stomach. I will show you how so that when you come in presidential abdomen, then game was here now was presidential surgicality.
Imo. Nyemji bogo kwawo. Imara nanu abamako ge ruwalanso wedding again. So okay, mara nke emere na nke emebe. Ka we mara otu agi shin hashie ya.
That's right.
My uncle, I don't want to talk much. Chat me kwoko man. You got that? Yeni basra bamakom has been taken care of. Mandine seni, mandige wuni, mandige yakwa, my cake, canopies, chairs, every damn thing has been taken care of by the Federal Republic of Panya. Yeah.
Nani. Opo na ekukwe. Odo homanyo. Maka na amara m soju penny gbawara isi. Shishin. Afu nkịtị. Ma wani ni gbawara isi. Onwere. Johnny and otu ihe niile ndị ashaga.
Imo.
Uncle.
Ina anu ihe mama gị na-ekwu. Kedu ka ị chọrọ ime magic?
Mgbe ụfọdụ, you know, mama m na-ekwu okwu dịka ihe ndị panya na-akpọ Rosemaria Pitakwa. Rosemaria Pitakwa bụ onye na-ekwu okwu dịka onye bi na mgbe ochie. Ihe atago onye ndị panya na-akpọ Rosemaria Pitakwa. Onye mama m na-ekwu okwu kata. Don't worry about my mother. Mụnwa nọ here. I know my word. I know what I am worth. I know everything about me. Ihe niile gbasara m ama m. Emechala m everything. Ihe ma unu kwado. Isha onye ọbụla jikere bịa kirie. Agbamakwụkwọ m ebidogo na-egosi ya na internet. The president of Panya amani will see internet ọbụla na-egosi how my wedding. That internet should be banded. Yes, abandoned or yeah. Clear and
so you mechakwara nwekweri my committee of friends. I wa mumu ndega amagi. Yeah, I
told you that onye ọbụla ya na Panyatic president na-enwe mmekọ should go and, because that man is a kind-hearted personality. He has set my committee. Ihe niile gbasara my wedding. Ma ndị na-esi nri, ma akpụ, ma garri, ma pagnetic food nke a na-akpọ luwewe. Yeah, nwere ihe ndị panya na-eri a na-akpọ luwewe. Ọ bụ ihe na-eme ka onye ọbụla riri ya ọ na-enwe growth, na-enwe ego, ọ na-enwe growth, ọ na-enwe ego.
Nwata mechiri otu ọnụ. Ọgwụ gịnị na-ekwu? Nwa m, ahụbeghị m akpa rice. Ahụbeghị m ihe eji eshi ya nna anyị. Ele otu uwe dị n'ike a na-eme n'ikuku ka ọ na-ala ka ọ n'elu.
Afụrụ Ebenize afụrụ akpa ube. Chifu asị na Ebenize eburu mmọnwụ na Abuja. Imo, biko kọwara anyị ihe na-eme ka anyị ghọta. Anyị achọ ka ihe na-eme anyị n'ezinụlọ a.
Mama, uncle, ihere agaghị eme unu. Ihere agaghị eme unu. So ị chọrọ ka m hold me nwere grade, nwere pathology, ga-eburu rice ndị mmadụ ga-eribute here. No! Everything is under microwave. The rice is under microwave process.
Microwave.
Ihe eji eshi ni ya engine. Even that very day, nwere onye ga-eji aka ewere nniti n'ọnụ, a ga-ebute engine. Engine ga na-ekuru. Kuju onye ọbụla n'ọnụ, one after the others.
Engine.
You people are going to dine with engine. Just get ready. Yeah, pagnetic wonder. And with American wonder, where pagnetic wonder. So him to ime here. My wedding is Celebuzu wedding.
Ihe njikwa ekwu ihe a wee mo biko. Achọ m ka ihe na-eme ezinụlọ anyị. Ihe ọbụla dịkwa mma ime mmadụ mma emejie ya emejie.
Uncle de kam si gwa gị.
Ihe dum iko ka na ihe ndị oyibo na-akpọ by proxy.
Oh, that is it. That is it. That is it. You see it? So onye wedding man are ma ya megin. Akuishi na wall. That is the summary.
Celebuzu marriage pam pam. Anyị na-akwado Celebuzu marriage. Marriage anyị na-akwado ọ bụghị marriage ụmụaka. Unu ma na-esi mpanya panyatiku marriage. Big men cannot there ọ bụghị marriage ụmụaka. Ndị panya cannot there ọ bụghị marriage ụmụaka. President panya cannot there life and direct. Sam no go efeo. Asim no cannot there. They one day oh we akapo our page boy. Unumana babankida cannot there. Makana nina kwato Celebuzu marriage. Anina kwato Celebuzu marriage. Marriage kwato.
Awara ko wabu. Kini name gin? Ogini name gin? Huh? Nga na ire keke ikwado be iri be marriage gown gị
echege m penta
ga I'm going to show just out of all the days ya wuru ka na ememe dị cheta na ga paint ya rulo agwa na achọ mi paint ya nga nna m
ị ga-aghọta ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu echege m penta ga-epenti m ihu ezigbote penta aka shiri ike ma ote na-eji agwọ ihe ọgwụgwọ gwọchie m ihu m mụrụ ka ibe m maka taa ma ite
ka o yote
ka m nwede
taa o yote
taa ma ite
hey look here na akụnụ look into the clock mara ihe na akụnụ time ga ha na fara mege ga gba all am ngata I will not be happy with you you dey na tena tey yes ebe beauty content ka ị gaji contest n'ime church
ya kwa Celebuzu marriage
and so
ukpuru mururu marriage Celebuzu marriage ihe ya na ya kwukakwa nkụ aka just makpuru like that atụlechela m ndị mere ihe ochie nga na achata ka ọ n'ime catastrophe ya mepe catastrophe da gara aka ụdị ka ị chọrọ ka ete enye n'otu nwa Nicki Minaj o sokwa eso ya cha ndị Celebuzu merela Beyonce Bigose Bigayo
anyway that is for your information no say so I am sorry gwa
chiro afọ dị mkpakwa entara jang anu mpe ke ma mudu
chire ha bịa bede nga ebusta bede moto
na be
damn it damn me Campo go there na phone never phone. Here go be see ma o be.
Make an about each other.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. Okay, in the airport. Oh, I said it. I said it. The president one. Okay, at the airport already. The president. That's it. That's it. What about the canopy, ma? Oh, ready already. Good, good. That's it. I'm not here already. Good, good. Gabana church immediately. Go to the church. Gabana church. Gabana church. Aina. Thank you. Thank you. Mama, you have again. I'm not going to Nazaga church, man. Huh? Oh, Mama, would you celebrate? You're going to get snatch him. Here, make an ordinary wedding. Huh? Here, we celebrity wedding. I'm not going to go to. Oh, Mama, with the celebrant, I possibly be late. I possibly be after every other person must have arrived. Because I'm not Ogo. Behind the Gaba church, na time Agala.
And look at what I jaga.
I get you.
Okay, Mahakai, I think I do qual. I'm one of mine.
I got organized. Come back, you know, Naga church, Jimota again. Not to come again, how the word no mas come. To come into your wedding and exercise. I got in the church.
Yeah, we wait no organize. Low tiger, you Ukwalaga, a little more in Guy wait no organize.
I will go walk on you. Ogranya woman walk and make a marriage. Don't want to get motor. One of my joke. Can't the man we can would do well. We are back up behind a motor. Who won? Got the baby. Go! Interest the so wait. John knows of Gavana Church. We are coming. Oh, more the celebrate. You know, Mama, then you just keep an eye for me, okay? Machine knows that will give her such a banga. Yeah. You want to play going? When you play going? But go down with the teenager that if I had not made a ship and presidential marriage. Marriage. Presidential marriage. Anina kwatu Celebuzu marriage. Anina kwatu Celebuzu marriage. Celebuzu marriage. Obuki marriage umaka.
No, Sister Maggi, you maka kwao. Manozu kwelenu, uzolenu.
Sister Maggi.
Ah! Hey, Ave Maria. Hey.
Quem usa uma itire niho? Enwokwanya, quem na agwa sakulos paint niho?
Akwa agwala mi o ya asimmewe kwa ya o. O ya asimmewe o.
Chokwe. Oteshana mi hu.
Egodi, owu ni ife oti iru gide kita,
Oh, o mebielie.
Dini godi enyo kini onene ihe nka paint to kase ya niru.
Hey, anukwa no manu. No bachike ka akwa. Nyam biko.
Nene godi.
Jiri ma aka m lere.
Ego opo nke emebisiela gi iru.
Abe!
Amazimu.
Abe! Hey! Chokwe. Oh, kambo kuti guzanga ka grotto. Owa hitegam.
You see?
Isa guzam ka grotto. Guzanga grotto na India so one hitegam. Give bam kuti. Ya mi hu mo ye.
Sister Maggi, ihe akarikwala nu.
Iba wa mi hu oto. marriage. Ndụbanye niile ndị aka ha ga-ehutọ. Nne m nyama ihe, nyeshie m nka.
Sister Maggi, chi dịzị ka mami wọta.
Taa hụ my day ka nwa. Debie. Ama penti ka ọbụla m ga-azụ aka m zụrụ penti. Oge ebe uhu ala anya m ebe ukwu anya ma chilite ya elu. Chilite ya elu. Ị nwekwara kọntọs. Were eme m pointed, imi m ga-eguzo ọtọ taa ka m nwee ụbọchị nke taa.
Hey! Nna anyị Mary ga na-ebe akwa ebe ọ bụla ọ nọ ugbu a.
Ọ kwesịrị ịṅụma. Ya ṅụma si nwa ya enwetara m panatic marriage. O tegwula m na nna anyị Jasa Virgin Maria mewere. Taa wụ my day. Asị m saa taa wụ my day ka m nwee. Agwala gị bulite ebe ukwu anya m. Bulite ya elu hụ sọ yọrọ ayọ. Chiri gba m n'anwụ. Chukwu m agwago chi. Gị mara ndị bịaga marriage a. Gị mara ndị maga marriage. Gị kwụọ ọnụ gị ma Chineke nna gị pịka. Ndị panya nọ n'ụzọ na-abịa. Hey, taa wụ my day. Read my lip. My day. Say it.
Sister Maggi Mumeri.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.